So you want the 540 wave pattern, but you don't know exactly how to brush, man? Man, don't even worry about it, man. SwaggDrizzle got you, man. I got you, bro. In this video, I'm finna show you how I brush my 540 waves, man. So stay tuned. What's good, Swag Gang, man? I wanna welcome you back. What's good, Swag Gang, man? I want to welcome you back to another video. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, bro, what are you doing, man? Hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Hit the subscribe button, man. What are you waiting on? So, I was just sitting here thinking, right? You like my waves, but I ain't showed you how I brush my waves yet. So, what I'm doing, man, I'm showing you how I brush my waves, man. I got to. But I ain't gonna do all that talking, man. We're gonna jump right into it. Okay, YouTube, the oil I'm gonna be adding is castor oil. I'm gonna add a little of that to my hair right now. Make sure my hair be spelt up and ready, shiny to get the brush session in, man. Make sure you add all of your hair good. And the brush I'm using right now is a Royalty soft brush. You can pick that up at brushking.org. Okay, pretty much how I brush my back, I go straight over to my left, from my right side to my left. And I pretty much try to start from my crown and work my way over to the left side. And you can also notice how I'm holding my brush right now. It's called like a vertical, in a vertical way. I feel like vertical brushing really help your hair out. Like, it really stretch your waves out and you can focus more on like your waves. You feel me? Okay, moving on to my left side. I kind of brush my left like straight forward. It's like a straightforward towards my eyes type of stroke. You feel me? Okay, what I'm about to do now, man, I'm about to start on this top, man. Y'all gotta forgive me for my voice, because when I started this video, man, it was early. Now it's late. But I'm up doing this video for y'all, man. And pretty much how I did my top, man, I started brushing at a slant. You gotta think, 540s, man. You gotta try to imagine that slant, how you want it to go. Your brush is like a pencil, and your head is like the paper, man. You gotta brush how you want your waves to go, man. It's that simple. That's pretty much the key to any pattern. And for my right side, I pretty much brush my right side straight down and back at the same time, if that makes sense. It's kind of hard to explain, but you can see how I'm doing it right now. And yeah, that's pretty much how I brush my 540 waves, man. I'm gonna speed this part up, so enjoy this brush session. Also, what you want to do, you want to slow down. You don't want to brush too fast, man. You want to really focus on your angles, man. I just feel like that's the most important thing to do. But yeah, let me get back to the brush session. Okay, the method that I'm using right now is called the top method. You basically just tapping around your crown, man. Nothing too deep, man. You see what's going on, man. That top method really is the truth, man. Like, for real, it really worked. So I recommend you trying that when you trying to swirl your crown, man. It really helps a lot. Okay, what I'm about to do now is called the plastic bag method. If you've been rocking with me for a while, man, you know that I love using the plastic bag, man. No matter what brush I use, I always wrap it up with a plastic bag. That's just me though. Okay, what you want to do after you get that brush session in, man? You want to throw on your do-rag. And make sure everything is lined up, man. You don't want to be looking sloppy. You feel me? You want to look professional when you throwing on your do-rag. As you can see, man, I already had mine prepped and ready. What I'm doing now is pretty much straightening out my strap so I don't leave no line on my forehead. Don't want that, man. Pretty much what you want to do to the back is just throw them, wind it up and throw it behind your straps, man. Make sure it's nice and tight. And that's pretty much it, man. Like, comment, and subscribe to your boy, man. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man. And I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.